Hi, this is Madison Tatro, and today I'm going to show you 6 of my portfolio pieces that I think would work very well in my portfolio. This first one is from digital photography. We were tasked to go with animal photography, so I went to the Como Zoo. I ended up taking 300 pictures at that zoo, and this is one of the ones that was the best that I took that day, that I really liked, and it really came out well, that I think it would work well in my portfolio. My next one is a piece from digital illustration, where we were tasked with reading a book and then recreating a book cover, something different from the original. Had to be completely different. So what I chose was Through the Looking Glass, Alice in Wonderland, and so I decided to take Alice and put her in the mirror instead of her just looking in it. I put her into the mirror instead, which I think came out really well. The mirror itself and all the intricate details could be worked on, and I feel like I would go back and clean them up and make them match a little bit more. If I was going to put this in my portfolio, I would go back and clean it up, but I feel like this one came out really well. Another one is another picture that I took at the zoo. I took a lot of pictures of giraffes that day. I really like giraffes. Giraffes can do some really funny stuff. The one in the back was trying to get in the door, so it just stuck its head in the door. But I feel like this giraffe in the front is really the shining piece of this picture. Another picture that I have is this poster. Sadly, it's not the actual digital copy of the poster, so the quality is not the best. I wish I actually had the digital copy of it, but I do not. I was tasked with this is a personal piece, by the way. I was tasked with the Simile Theater Guild's spring musical production poster. I was with a team of 2 other people. The other 2 people did the artwork, this beautiful artwork, and I did all the layout and all the graphics for everything else in it. So I just put it all together. So they gave me the picture in the end, and I just put it all together for them, which I think it came out beautiful. This next one is very trippy. It is very well named, called Trippy Stairs. This is from digital photography, and it was a picture of a spiral staircase. I copied it 4 times, and then I stretched it, and I duplicated it, and I played with the hue and saturation, I think. But I pretty much just went to town on the masks, and it just ended up like this, and I was really happy with what I had in the end. These are the 3 thumbnails that I had for the digital illustration piece for the book cover. These were the 3 options that I came up with, and I ultimately went with the one in the middle, but I still thought that the other 2 were really well done. So I thought they would have also made good portfolio pieces as well. And then lastly, I have another picture from the Como Zoo, where it's a little baby monkey who was posing in front of the glass for me because there were so many people. So he just stopped right in front of the glass, and I took the picture right at the perfect moment, and it turned out really well. So I feel like this one would also work very well in my portfolio. So that's all I have. So thank you.